flawed assumptions. Hindi na bago sa atin that even people who are considered smart would become vulnerable and they would do some pretty stupid things. Ako mismo, I realized matalino daw ako, and then I have done some really bad decisions. Kaya nga nasabihan ako, akala ko matalino ka. Akala ko rin. Matalino ako pero nakagawa ko ng mga bagay na talagang mali. Ngayon, hindi lang natin pag-usapan kung na nakakagawa ang mga tao ng mga wrong decisions. Pag-usapan din natin ang mga bagay na to so that we can understand how smart people can also believe some of these considered dumb or stupid things. Hindi lang nagagawa, pero naniniwala pa, pinanghahawakan. Even Jesus followers, we sometimes succumb or fall prey into entertaining flawed assumptions. Sometimes even highly moral and deeply sincere, intelligent believers, there are no guarantee of protection from the consequences of a bad decision based on flawed assumptions. So if I am going, yung mga nag-review dito, okay matakot, formula dito, may formula dito. Formula ito, pero hindi ito quadratic equation. So for believers of the Lord, it can be possible that we embrace the wisdom of Solomon, but we would add inaccurate facts or faulty assumptions, and the result is or are foolish decisions. Can you see this? I can be receiving or applying the Word of God, quoting the Word of God here and there, but I will add inaccurate facts or faulty assumptions. So what would happen? I will be making a conclusion that is half true, partly true, because I have included flawed assumptions into my decision or thinking process.